Hi, my name is Dr. Lander here at Advanced Animal Care in Richmond, Kentucky, and today I'm going to be answering some questions about dog spayings and neuters, and Ella, our marketing director, is going to ask me some questions.
Okay, so how does dog spaying or neutering impact the health and well-being of my pet?
Spays and neuters for dogs honestly have a lot of beneficial impacts there, especially preventing certain diseases. For example, female dogs can get something called a pyometra. It's an infection of their uterus. Male dogs, if they're left intact, they can have prostatic issues where they have trouble urinating, etc., let alone the obvious one there of kind of limiting the ability to reproduce.
So how soon should I bring in my pet to get spayed or neutered?
We recommend about 6 months to a year.
What are the possible conditions that can be helped by spaying or neutering my dog?
Absolutely. So kind of like I said earlier, the pyometra, the infection of the uterus, that is an emergency. What can happen is the uterus fills with pus. It's pretty gross. And they can go septic and get very sick because of that. Male dogs, like I said, can have really severe prostate issues where they have trouble urinating, let alone, like I said, unwanted pregnancies, unplanned pregnancies. That can be worrisome as well.
What will my veterinarian need to know about my dog before spaying or neutering?
Age is a really important one. If you have an idea of the age of your pet, let alone, we can maybe determine that on a physical exam within a certain amount of time, but also kind of where you are in terms of activity level at home, how's the recovery going to be, and then what your goals are for that animal, whether or not you do want to breed or not.
So how long will it take for my dog to recover from being spayed or neutered?
Typically 2 to 3 weeks.
What care should I be prepared to provide at home while my dog is recovering from their surgery?
Yeah, activity restriction for sure. That activity restriction is really important to make sure that the incision doesn't what's called dehiss. The sutures can break open. Unfortunately, that's a situation to deal with, again, surgically likely. And then also to ensure that the animal isn't licking or rubbing at the incision site. That can cause infection. Those are some things to look out for and really be cognizant at home.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.